Assalamu alaikum. Hello, grade 6. Today we're gonna talk about model 3. The first question, choose the correct answer. Number 1, the surface area of the circle. We know that the surface area of the circle, is by r power of 2. So the missing is r power of 2. Number 2, if negative 2x equals 6, then x belongs to ha. We should get x first before we should say x belongs to what. Here, any variable multiplied by a number, I'm gonna divide by this number, I'll divide by 2. Here, so I'll divide by 2 there. So x equals 6 divide negative 2, it's negative 3. So x equals negative 3. Negative 3, it's x belongs to the negative. Number 3, the number which satisfied the inequality x minus 2 bigger than 3. Anything beside x, we move to the other side by the opposite sign. Here minus, it goes there with plus. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So x bigger than 5. Which number here is bigger than 5? It's 6. Negative 1 to the power of 8, we have an even power. The even power, it's cancel the sign, it's equals 1. Here, negative 1 to the power of 9, the power is odd, so I keep the sign negative, so it's 1 minus 1 equals 0. 5 minus 11, 5 minus 11, it's negative 6, but don't forget the absolute value. Absolute value of negative 6, it's equal 6, because the absolute value, I cancel the sign. So 6 to z, it belongs to z. 2 to the power of 5 multiply 2 to the power of 2. When I have multiply, I make plus to the powers. So it's 2 to the power of 5 plus 2, it's equal 7. 2 to the power of 7. Number 7, when tossing a die once, the probability of getting a number on the upper face more than 6. Is in the die we have a number more than 6? No, so it's a 5, so the probability is 0. Absolute value of negative 3, it's 3. The total area of a cube is area of one face multiply the 6 faces of the cube. The probability of the impossible event, impossible can't happen, is 0. The image of the point 2 and 3 by translation x plus 1 and y plus 2. Here I have x and y. X, it's 2. 2 plus 1, it's equals 3. And y is 3. 3 plus 2, it's equals 5. So 3 and 5. X plus 6 equals 2. I want to get x, so anything beside 2 move to the other side with the negative sign. So it's 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 equals negative 4. 3 plus absolute value of negative 3. Absolute value of negative 3, it's equals 3. So 3 plus 3, it's equals 6. The perimeter of the base of cuboid is 10. Its height is 4. Then the lateral area equals the perimeter of the base multiply the height. 10 multiply 4, it's equals 40 squared centimeter. The probability of sure event, sure it happened, yes, 1. Number 4, the sum of measures of the angles of the sectors about the center of the circle is 360 degrees. The circumference of the circle, 2 by r, so 2r by. A cube total area 150 squared centimeters and the length of its edge. So I should get the area of one face. So the area of one face, it's equals 150 divided by the 6 faces, it's equals 25 squared centimeters. So the length of its edge is 5 centimeters. Z positive union 0, when I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's natural numbers. If 3x equals 9, so x equals variable multiply a number, I divide by this number. So I divide 9 by 3, so x equals 3. Find the solution set of inequality x minus 2 bigger than or equals 3 when x belongs to z and represent it on the number line. anything beside x move to the other side with the opposite sign. So x bigger than or equal 3 plus 2. So x bigger than or equal 5. So solution set x bigger than or equal 5. So it's equal 5 and bigger than 5, 6, 7 and so on. I represented on the number line. I start by 5. I take 5, take 6, take 7 until infinite. A cuboid shaped the box with a square base. Its length side is 10 cm and its height is 4 cm. Calculate the lateral area. To calculate the lateral area, we should get the perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base it looks like a square, so the perimeter of the square side length multiply 4. So it's 10 multiply 4 equals 40 centimeters. So the lateral area is the perimeter of the base multiply its height. The perimeter of the base is 40 multiply the height he gave it to me 4. It equals 160 squared centimeters. Number 3, answer the following. Find the result of 4 multiply 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 2 minus 7 multiply 3. First of all, I should say that 4 multiply 3 to the power of 2, it's 9. Here divide by, divide 9 because 3 power of 2 is 9 minus 7 multiply 3. So here 4 multiply 9, it's equal 36. 36 divide 9. 36 divide 9 minus 21. 36 divide 9, it's 4. It's 4. So again, we should see the signs right. So here I have 4 multiply 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Divide by 3 to the power of 2 is 9 minus 7 multiply 3. So 4 times 9 it's equal 36. Divide 9 minus 21. 36 divide 9, it's 4. 4 minus 21, it equals negative 13. It equals negative 13. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next session, inshallah.